Hi everyone. Today this will be a bit different video, and I'm getting ready for my trip to Barcelona, and I can't wait for that because it's my favorite place in the world, and I am going to pack some things that I'm taking with me, and I will show you my packing accessories. So yeah, something a bit different. And I'm going to Barcelona for 4 days, so it's going to be kind of like a short trip this time, but every year I go there for a week, but this time me and my friend, we will stay in Barceloneta next to the beach, and we booked like apartment for us, so can't wait for that. And now in London it's very cold and miserable. The winter is coming, so it's another reason to escape the city and catch a little bit of last sun. So yeah, that's going to be my video for today. So I have these packing bags that I will be using this time. I ordered them on Amazon. I like they are pretty good quality. You can purchase also different colors. Mine is with cactus, so it's kind of fun print. This one, which you can tie like this. So another bag. Another 2 bags that are this one like that, so it's kind of like a bigger one, and then you have a bit like a pouch like this. And what else? So this one you can open like this. You can open it. You can also put some clothes that you can just kind of like fix as well, so they're pretty stable. Another bag, which is the same but just a bit smaller, but it doesn't have those kind of attachments like that. And last bag is the biggest one, so looks like that. So you can open it, and it has those hooks as well here, so like that. So I laid these bags on the bed so I can see all I have and which item will go in which bag. So I always try to think what I'm going to wear when I'm going away, so I don't take too many things, especially because I have only 15 kilos bag, so I need to be smart. And also I'm going for 4 days, so I can kind of figure out what I am going to wear on each day. So let me go to my list and let's start packing. I'm going to take this skirt. I think they're fun, really Barcelona. Another thing for going out will be this dress. This is from Another Stories. It's a very light material and will be perfect for hotter days, but also you can just put denim jacket and if you feel too cold in the evening. And then another dress is this one from TopShop. So it's really long dress, and usually I don't buy long dresses. This year they're very popular, so I thought I will give it a go and have at least one long dress in my wardrobe. I like the colors of this dress, and I also like the sleeves, and these are a little bit of puffy sleeve, as you see here, like that. So I packed most of the stuff, and this is how it looks. So here I put some of my dresses and skirt, and here are my whites and some t-shirts and shirts. I actually managed to put 3 pairs in this bag, so I'm very happy with that. And also I have in this one just my underwear. So here I have loungewear, and then denim jacket I probably wear, so I have one more kind of bag to put other stuff that I'm still thinking if I want to take with me. And then I will also take these 2 bags with me. This will be just like a pouch and easy to just take in the evenings. And then the other one is more for the daytime. I can fit my camera there as well if I want to, and it kind of goes together with, for example, with my blue skirt and my whites. And then I also have this beach bag. It's actually pretty heavy. It's from Mango. It's huge. It's really good. So you can put all the stuff there. You can even put your beach towel, but it's really, really heavy. So I was thinking if I even want to take it with me. And yeah, so that's about it for now for the kind of clothes and things like that. So I am going to now move on to my makeup and skincare products. And I will also mention 2 pair of sunglasses that I'm taking with me. And one is from TopShop. I bought it on sale actually. It was only £5, but I like the style and I think it will be really good on my holiday. So it's kind of like this square type of frame. Looks like that. And the other pair I have is that's an online shop that has really good sunglasses and very affordable as well. So I've been wearing these ones all the time now. And then for my makeup, I will be using these 3 makeup bags that I purchased in Primark. So that was very good. Also find this one is the big one for all your hair conditioners and creams and shampoos and kind of like a bigger things. Then this one is more for your foundations and eyeshadows and other makeup. And this one it's good to take with you hand luggage and take some other essentials. And then I have this one. This pouch is for makeup brushes. It's really good to travel with this one because you can have your brushes safely packed, and you can also cover, it's very hard to do with one hand. Okay, so you can cover like that, and you just of course you can put more brushes there, and yeah, take it with you. And also when you're on your holiday, you can just use your brushes from this pouch. So yeah, I haven't packed everything yet, so I just put some stuff that I'm not using at the moment, but I'm using other products still. So I will be doing this till my last day before I go, and then I will put everything else in it. At the moment, the only thing that I could show you that I really like is this deodorant. It's actually really good because it doesn't have all the parabens and aluminium, and also all this organic deodorants are very healthy, and it has interesting smell. It smells like coconuts. I mean, it's really nice, but as a deodorant at first it feels weird, but you get used to it really quickly. And in this one I will put from some of my samples that I have, like this one. It's really good as well for SPF protection from Rituals. And then this one is from Clarins, and it's exfoliating cleanser that is very gentle, and that's a good as well thing that you can have these small samples to take with you when you're traveling. Also, I'm taking my Double Wear Light Estee Lauder foundation, and yeah, some small things. I also like this tiny perfume bottle, and it is from Rituals. As you know, I love the brand, and it's really cute, and the smell is nice, so I like to take this with me when I'm traveling. So yeah, and then I have again from Estee Lauder a tiny palette for eyeshadows, which has all the essentials. Let me open that one. So these are the essential colors that I like to use, some light shade and a darker as well, and also the golden one. So I like this palette. I'm taking it with me. So these are all the pieces for my holiday packing, and I guess the next time I will see you on my travel day to Barcelona.